Hello guys, good evening everyone. My name is Gyanan from English with Village Vlog. Guys, today I am in my field and it is evening time. The time might be around 4 p.m. So here I want to show you this kind of view. It's amazing view. I would like to show you the sun. Sun is in front of me. So this is sun. So guys, and here left side you can see some buffaloes are grazing. So guys, let me tell you why I am showing this thing to you, because most of you belong to city and you don't know about field, about the view of village. It's like totally natural, and here I feel good. There is no pollution, there is no noise, only you can find peace and tranquility. It's like I'm alone in this earth. So guys, tell me, what kind of life do you want to live, like city life or village life? I love living village life. Of course I am in village. People say what is the difference between city life and village life? Of course there is a huge difference. If I talk about city, so you can find lots of bunch of facilities over there. All the facilities are available in city, uh, whether it is a hospital, school, college, jobs, all the things are there. Yes, in village, of course, it's a truth that you can't find lots of facilities in village, but yes, you can find natural life. You can find all the thing in real. So we grow fresh vegetable, we grow wheat and paddy here, and we just use some organic thing. Whereas if I talk about city, so they buy most of the thing, they buy packets, and it could be like milk packet, rice, flour, and any kind of thing they buy in packet. But here we don't buy anything in packet. We have cows, buffaloes, we have fresh milk, yogurt, clarified milk, clarified uh, uh, curd. So of course this this type of life is amazing. You can uh, see amazing view, chirping birds, and the view, the sun is going to down now, so it's amazing. And here I would like to tell you one more thing, that now these are field of paddy. Now paddy has been harvested. Now we are preparing to grow wheat. I must uh, say you must know about wheat and paddy. So some people, like some of the farmers, they didn't harvest like with sickle. They harvested their paddy crop with the help of one machine. But if I talk about myself, we didn't use any kind of machine to harvest my paddy. We just used sickle to harvest my paddy. Now I am done with my harvesting of paddy. Now I am totally free. So that is amazing view, and it's a great. Uh, what can I show? Because it is not city that I can show you so many parks, building, and so many things. Here you can't find, but you can find amazing view and peace and tranquility. So guys, now I would like to talk about little bit this grammar, little bit this English language. Most of you must be thinking that how can I speak English being a villager. So guys, let me tell you one thing. It's just because of practice. You didn't practice, that is why you are not able to speak. I practiced, that is why I am able to speak. It's because of practice, guys. It's not because of grammar, it's not because of teacher, this thing, that thing. You think that you have inculcated yourself with negative thing. You should not do so like that. So yes, if I talk about this language, it's a natural for me, because I have been speaking this language maybe for 3 years. So since I started learning this language, I have been practicing by myself. I never wait for anyone that okay, until I get partner I should not speak, I should make excuses that I can't learn English, I am a villager, I am not educated, and I have this problem, that problem. So let's throw in the towel, throw in the towel. What is this? I'm not going to give up. Yes, I know this life is so dangerous. This life is a forest, and if you put your weapon down, so you will be killed anytime. So guys, speaking this language confidently without fear in front of anyone is not a piece of cake. However, you should not get scared of anyone that okay, no, it's very difficult. No, it's not difficult. If other people can do, so why can't you? Of course you can. Just believe in you. I don't care if you take me to any, if you take me in front of anyone. Yes, so I'm not going to get scared, because I believe in me, and the person who believes in him, of course he can do anything, he can get anything, whatever he wants to get. So never think so that I can't learn this language, I can't do this, I can't do that. You can do. Why don't you get inspired by me? Look at me. Do you think that I have done so many things for that language? Nothing. I didn't do anything. When I was learning English, so I utilized my 10 minutes, 20 minutes. Sometime I got time, sometime I didn't get time. But yes, I didn't give up. Whenever I got time, I utilized my time. I used to speak alone, and sometime I didn't speak, so I used to think in my mind. So just because of that, my that practice, I am here, I am able to speak. Earlier when I started 3 years ago, so that time I was not able to speak even a single word. Even I was not able to speak hello guys, my name is Gyanendra. Now I am speaking this naturally. Why? Because I have been speaking this sentence, and not only this sentence but also lots of sentences. So yeah, if you speak, then you can speak. If you don't speak, then you can't speak. So it's better speak instead of running here and there, doing that, this. Why don't you work for you? You can sharp your tongue, mind. If I talk about grammar, so you can learn grammar on YouTube. YouTube is the biggest YouTube is the biggest platform where you can find not only teacher, trainer, but also lots of things. So utilize that. Until you think yourself, no one can think about you. So guys, end of the this video, I would like to say that time is so precious. Time is money, so don't waste your time. I wasted my time. That is why now I regret. But yes, however, I have done whatever I wanted to do. So thank you so much guys. If you have liked this video, please subscribe, and of course I will motivate you. Don't worry, don't feel sad. I am with you. I will tell you how to become fluent in English being alone at home, without partner, without teacher, without any single thing. If you have smart mobile, you can become fluent English guys. Thank you so much. Bye.